Alright, so once you have your animation saved and you have it to a point that you're happy with it and you're ready to turn it in, make sure that it plays. And then what we're going to do is we're going to save it and we're going to be able to download it as a GIF. But there's a couple different steps in the process. So the first is to click right here where it says save. Now these are a couple options you have. I don't recommend putting your name or any extra information here. It's up to you if you're it's up to you if you want to make this animation public. By making it public, what that means is that it's going to show up in the Flip Anim gallery. I'm going to uncheck that because I simply just want to download it as a GIF. I'm going to select upload. It will upload to their system and you'll have a little pop-up window right here. Click on I'm not a robot and then continue. And it's going to compile your animation into a finished GIF. It'll just take a moment right here. Alright, so in this window you can download it as a GIF. And you should be able to right click where it says GIF, right click and say save link as. And it should come up like something like this where it says graphics exchange format, which is a GIF. You're going to give it a name. See if that helps a little bit. I'm just going to call this ball tail, and it's probably going to download to your downloads folder, so say save, and now the file is downloaded on your computer and you can upload that into the Canvas assignment. So hope that helps. There'll be a new tutorial tomorrow using a new program, but that's it for this one.